Welcome to Hacker Hut YouTube channel and I am Ali Hassan welcoming you. It is stated that Linux is most high powered tool for hacking and most of the hackers use Linux, especially Kali Linux and Black Arc Linux. In this video we will get the overview of some Linux commands and hacking tools. So let's get started. This is Kali Linux machine and a terminal open in it. And if you are using Terminux on your phone or any other Linux distribution, the commands will be almost the same. The first command is ls command. So type ls command and hit the enter button. This command is used to list all the files which are present in the directory or folder. The second command we are going to use is cd, which stands for directory change. So type cd in the terminal and the name of directory you want to open. Let's open up videos and hit the enter button. As you can see, we are in videos directory. So let's type ls and hit enter to see what is in it. As you can see, there are two files in this directory. There is another command which is used to get back into the previous directory. The command is cd hyphen. Let's enter cd hyphen. As you can see, we are in the previous directory. The next command is pwd, which shows the current working directory. The next command we are going to use is ifconfig. It shows the network details of the devices. As you can see, I have no Ethernet cable connected, so it shows me no IP address, but it shows me the MAC address of the device. The next command is lsusb. It shows the devices connected in various USB ports. The next command is who am I. It shows the current state, that if we are rooted or not, as it is showing me the username of my machine, which is Kali. The next command is sudo, which is used to give super user permissions. The command is sudo su, which is used to change current state to root permissions. And there is also notice that if you are an Android user running Terminux, it will not work on non-rooted devices. This means you will have to root your device first. Let's type sudo and hit enter on that. And you can see the terminal color changes and the root is written here. Now let's type who am I to check it. As you can see, we are now rooted, and before Kali was written on the terminal, and now root is written here. Now let's go on the previous directory. The next command is man. This command is used for showing the manual of the application or software installed. In this case, we will type man nmap and hit enter on that. As you can see here, it is written that nmap is a network exploration and security sport scanning tool. And below that, the command synopsis is given, so on and so forth. Here it is written that press H for help and Q to get the manual. While we are standing here, let's do a quick overview of other things in the Kali Linux operating system. As you can see, there are several options in the start menu. You can see the options to open up a terminal, open up the root terminal, file manager, text editor, exploit database, and Kali Linux training. There are also a bunch of tools that we will use in the various hacking techniques, so on and so forth. Now get back on the terminal. We can open several tabs while working in the same terminal. And you can also open a new terminal by right clicking on the desktop. Let's minimize it. Right click on the desktop and click the new terminal option. As you can see, a new terminal opened. And now to zoom in the view, you have to press Ctrl plus plus. such as this. As you are seeing that it is zooming in the screen, and similarly to zoom out the command is control plus minus. By opening a new tab in the terminal, I want to get you guys a taste of the malware creator and an amazing exploitation tool called Metasploit. And to execute it, we will write MSF console and hit enter. It will open in a minute depending on your processor speed. Until then, there is another notice that this will not work if you are on a phone having no root access. We are covering a bunch of these ethical hacking tutorials on the YouTube channel, as well as we have paid courses for ethical hacking with certifications. So you can join those too if you are not joining the course. If you are not joining the course, these videos will be available and uploaded on YouTube for you. So subscribe now, the Hackerhead YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon. Now let's get back on the tutorial. The MSF console is open and let's enter a command to search for the available vulnerability exploits. Let's zoom it out. As many of the people say to hack Facebook, so we will check the exploits available to attack Facebook. Let's enter the command search Facebook and hit enter. As you can see, there are very few exploits available to hack the Facebook account. You are seeing the path of the vulnerability exploit, its descriptions, date of the vulnerability, and its rank. Now to use the exploit available, enter the command. In this case, we are using vulnerability 1. We will enter use 1. You can also replace the 1 with the serial number of the exploit and hit enter. By entering the command show info, you can see the information about the vulnerability exploit and its description and creator. That was a quick overview of a Metasploit. So let's enter the command back to cancel the exploit and enter exit command to exit the Metasploit console. You can also open Python programming language, which is already installed in Kali Linux. Now let's import the math library, but this will not much that fun. So let's import the tkinter module to develop some graphical user interfaces. Now enter root is equal to tk with braces and hit enter. As you can see, there is a new window open. You can maximize it, minimize it, and customize it as you wish. Now let's close it and enter the exit command with round braces and hit enter. Let me show you another tool which is also pre-installed in Kali Linux. It is used to create phishing pages and can be used as a credential collector. Let's type SC toolkit command. It is showing an error that we are not running a root. But no worries, let me show you another command to search the Kali Linux for files, and the command is locate. Let's enter the command to locate nmap and hit enter. It will start searching file system for the nmap. Similarly, we can search root and it will display the results for it. There is another command left called exit. It will exit the terminal tab and will also exit my video after a few seconds. Thanks for watching video, as it is a very short video but it is only quick overview of the Kali Linux. Please like the video if you learned something valuable from this tutorial, and I am working very hard to create high quality videos. Subscribe the YouTube channel, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and goodbye.